ALMS this morning. Let me take a look at ALMS. Not on my radar this morning. Looks fantastic. ALMS, alumnus. Yep. Alumnus. Yep. Perfect. Thank you so much for sharing, Mark. Why? Good morning, Seth. Good morning, Darren. Good morning, Michael. Aloha from Bangkok. Good to see you from Thailand this morning. Jay, good morning. Allie, good morning to you. Michael, I guess it's, what time is it there? If it's U.S. Eastern time here coming up at 9:30, is it, Dan, good morning to you. Is it the following day, I think, in Bangkok, Thailand? Okay, anyway, let's talk some stocks this morning here, get you prepared for the day and get you prepared for what I see to be a special day here as we get this day going. Please post if you have anything on that ALMS trade, Mark, if there's any news out there. Keep us all informed. Okay, first stock, PLTR, over 175 this morning. It's there right now. I think it pulls back down and we get it a little bit cheaper here this morning, but 175 long PLTR this morning. Also MCHP 7050, MCHP 7050. I'd like to get into this at around 70. So let's post it like this, MCHP long at 70. We'll watch the open here to see if it has legs right at the start. May have to get into it right away. VST's got no volume into it this morning. And then the NVDA at 190 this morning looks great. It just popped through that here just a moment ago. So I'm going to post it at 190. We'll watch for the pullback here to go long NVIDIA this morning. And then we should be great to go this morning as the day allows us. So again, it's going to be kind of a, I guess what I would call a stock picker's market here this morning, because a lot of the, there we go, a lot of the stocks this morning, you know, you've got a taste of two markets. Dow futures down 61, NASDAQ futures up 36.5 this morning. So it's kind of split, but we'll watch and see what we get going here this morning. There we go. And hopefully get us a trade here on one of these three stocks that I've posted here this morning. DVG's in the house this morning. DVG, what are you watching?
What's up
today?
Well, good morning, Scott. Good morning, 44
morning.
Trading Nation. I think we're going to have an awesome day today. I'm keeping an eye on OKLO and AVGO. AVGO probably going to be my big trade. I actually added it towards the end there. Because, frankly, MCHP, which I know you posted there, Scott, had some good news. I'm also looking at some interesting ancillary names. So Jedi, maybe... you know, arguably you could look at like AVAV, Kratos as well. But I'll be also keeping an eye on AEVA, who was also in the news today. And then our friends at Rocket Lab. So Rocket Lab, I've actually had as a long-term ad in my portfolio. So who knows? I might add a little more today. We'll see. Added some yesterday, but I may just pick up a couple more shares for a long term.
Put that up here on the upper left corner here, Rocket Lab, RKLB a watch. Okay, perfect. What's that one stock you're thinking?
AVGO.
AVGO. Okay, perfect. Perfect. I've got it up this morning. I would say long here, 344, and then add at 346. Let's put it up here this morning. I don't know where I'm going to put it. MU starting to blast off already. We'll watch these stocks. I've got it up on my other screen here, so we'll report on it here. We've got about 2 minutes before we open things up.
What's the one you're looking at?
Well, I would say PLTR, but I like this MCHP. It's just got no volume in it this morning, so we'll have to wait and see what happens here today.
Yeah, Palantir over 176 should do the trick today.
Yeah.
I know I was having trouble with that yesterday. I think it was what, 175.76 or so. We were trading that one yesterday.
And I would love to, I'd love to have it pulled back so we can get it a little bit less. I don't know though. You know what, DVG? I'm not sure where the market's going to go today. You know, we've got the chip news, but at the same time, we've got futures not really that excited, right?
Yeah.
So we shall see. I'm biased long side. I'm always biased long side, but today biased alongside if we have to make a decision here.
Here we go.
Okay, traders, less than a minute left. Here we go. Okay,
Coin
45
yesterday really did
seconds.
it. And pushed up to, I think, like 258 yesterday, and oh well, coulda, shoulda, woulda. Yeah, I actually think Palantir might do it today. Big 177 push, maybe gets to 180 today. What was it chasing? All-time highs at what, 207? Maybe 190 becomes a reality by this week. We'll see.
Yeah,
Let's
I'm
see
gonna
what
watch the
AVGO does here.
PLTR this morning. Okay. Keep PLTR on the fast track here. That'll probably be my first trade of the day, PLTR.
Nice.
Okay, here we go, traders. 10 seconds to go. Seth, good morning. Regarding skin clearance for psoriasis. Okay. ALMS would be a short for me. Going from 8 to 22 on psoriasis medication. So, traders, we are open for business here. AVGO on a pullback, perhaps.
Oh, look at Palantir go.
Yep.
Okay, let's see what AVGO does near the close. 343. Okay, low pulling back sharply. What I was kind of hoping for, to be honest. Palantir on the move now. 177.
Yep.
Let's see what it does there. AVGO. Hmm. Hmm.
Sitting there for a pullback. Maybe RKLB. Circle this morning. Or AVGO. Real low volume circle, real low volume AVGO on the way down. Oklo, nice volume. Let's go
Big drop on
Oklo.
AVGO, no trade.
Let's go Oklo here. Let's see, OKLO and NVIDIA over here. And, I want to go 93. Let me see if I can get it in here real quick. Oklo, let me take a look at it. Didn't have it loaded up. Sorry.
All right, let's keep an eye on AVGO. I want to see what it does here at 341. It might tank here.
MCHP pulling back. MU probably deserves a short. Almost got good news. NVDA pulling back, looking good.
I'm watching 340 now on AVGO. I like a 340 print. I'm gonna get involved here. Wow, what a terrible fill that was. 341.04. Yikes. I don't love that.
No, that's some slippage there.
Yeah, big time. Should have just used it.
Yeah, I wanted Oklo at 93, just too late for the party. Darn it.
And I might dump it right away on the AVGO. We'll see. Look at Palantir go. Well, I'm telling you, 177, if it clears that, it should take off to 180 pretty quickly. I wanted to get AVGO at 340, and I ended up getting it $1 above where I wanted to get in. Oh, well. Palantir might break out here. We'll see.
Yeah, I missed Oklo here. I could have had a point, could have, would have, should have, right? You just stopped talking about it.
Well, AVGO, I might dump it here. Maybe a second chance later on. I'll wait. It's a small size, but I don't want to give up, too many points here. Let's do it. Palantir. I'm going for it. Long. See if we get the breakout into 177. We're in at 176.72.
I got to wait for pullback traders that can't come in now.
You watching what? OKLO?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Come on, Palantir. Get up there. 177 rip.
Come on. Yeah, I like NVDA possibly on the pullback here. Gets below 190, we'll talk about it. Why?
Nah, AVGO. I might be done with this thing. Shucks.
Okay, I'm going to try this MCHP. MCHP. Let me look at it here on the level 2 here.
Getting ready to add to Palantir.
Yeah, 7150. 7150. 7150 MCHP long.
Long.
MCHP.
On AVGO, I may add. Okay, low ripping now. Wow. Did you get in to OKLO?
No,
or are you waiting?
Nope, I didn't. I was trying to get in earlier at 93, and now I'm being a little baby. Okay, I'm going to add to MCHP at 72. Full share size at 72. MCHP.
I need Palantir to rip now. Full share size on Palantir. Target will be around 179. Okay, no, not doing enough. AMD tanking. ME tanking. No, MU's moving. Let's see. Interesting. Okay.
Come on,
AMD
72. We go
though.
full share size. RKLB. Absolutely. We'll watch this under 76 if it gets underneath there. MCHP adding at 72.
Adding to AVGO. Let's go.
Watch the break of 72. Once it gets there, we're going to add to this trade, go full share size. There's the 72.
Palantir did it. Got into 177. We should rip now.
Go. Over 72. Over 72. Let's go.
I added to the trade here on AVGO.
Not there yet. 72. Full share size. Long. Added to the trade. Let's go.
I'm looking for a push over 345 on AVGO. It's pretty optimistic, but
got to get that bid up there. Come on, there we go. Over 72 now. 72.40 is going to be my target. 72.40. $72.40. Target 72.40. Come on.
oh, come on, Palantir. Don't quit now.
72.40. Target. Yeah, I mean, I can be convinced around the 71.50 or so. We'll see. Dow's up now 70 points. NASDAQ up 23. A little struggle here on the NAS.
Oh, AVGO, what are you doing? No me gusta. And Palantir now moving against. Mm-mm-mm. Okay, a little about the rip. Come on, Navy Joe. Okay, hello. Might have missed it, but it looks pretty good. Looks like it's gonna break out here.
Yep. Okay, Rocket Lab, I'm going to come in here 7610. Let me post it here in the room. RKLB 76. Small share size to start here. Got a confirmed direction, and then we can add at 76.50. Okay. So RKLB.
I might go full share size AVGO here.
I'm long the stock.
Turn around. We got to almost 342. Let's go for it. I'm gonna add. Well, I'll add half share size here.
Come on. 76. We can do it.
Oh, Palantir. We were nice and green on Palantir. Now we're red. Yikes. NVIDIA rolling over hard now.
Yeah, and so is MU. Okay, I'm going to go PLTR as well. Hold on here, one at a time. Let's concentrate on RKLB here and the MCHP. MCHP needs to get up and go here.
No, Palantir, no. I might have to dump it.
I'm going to try to find a way in here on PLTR.
What a shame. I'm still in it, but man, I don't like seeing red tick. NVIDIA really biting it now.
Traders, I'll be right back. Just give me a moment.
Okay, low rolling over. Let's just find the key still in here. Maybe time to go short. We'll see. Maybe I was early to this trade on AVGO. Just fine. May dump it and then revisit it later today. Excuse me. That's so gross on Palantir, guys. So gross. We got in the 177 print. We should have lifted and we just gave up. That's brutal. But for sure, 180 would be in striking distance there. Gross. We're consolidating into yesterday's like more or less range all day. So let's see if we can get a violent push here, especially on AVGO. I want to see get over the close of 345, and then we should maybe look at 349. We got a pretty decent share size on AVGO, but I don't think I'll go full share size. Palantir now on the move. Let's look around here.
Okay, I am back. MCHP still on it.
And AMD is falling off a cliff, Scott.
Yeah.
Here's your chance on Palantir.
AMD. Yeah, MU did too. Wow. Okay, Rocket Lab. Watch the 76 here. If you're in the trade, fine. If you're not, let's go. 76. Seth is looking at NBIS. Take a look at that. In case there's something there, NBIS. Yeah, it looks great.
Finally on AVGO. Finally. Let's go now. And Palantir. I might only need these 2 trades and be done, but we'll see.
Yeah.
I've got full
Yeah,
share size Palantir, and I've got a little over half share size on AVGO now.
NBIS right here, maybe, right?
What's IREN doing?
NBIS, you can come in here right at 93. Well, MCHP and RKLB now.
Palantir, baby. Let's go. 180 plus would be amazing. Actually, I'm going to hold on till I see 180. 180 or bust. Palantir. Here comes AVGO, guys. A little patience. Patience pays here. We get over that pre-market blip right at the open here. So 344 and change. We should lift, guys. Palantir on the move. Let's get paid on it. Let's get paid on it. 180. Probably take some off if we get in the 179 area.
74.50 will be my stop on RKLB. For right now, I'm going to be long the stock though. Okay.
Still waiting on Palantir. Let's go. We took the drawdown. Let's get paid now. The AVGO. Let's see if we get over that 344.15. Looks like. Here comes AVGO, guys. I don't even need to take another trade, guys. Let's just hang on to these. Let's get paid. Let's get the break on AVGO now. 344.15. If we get in that 344 and a half print, I'll take some off, but maybe we get a lift off here on AVGO. Beautiful reversal here.
18 cents to go, MCHP.
Up at the close now on AVGO. NVIDIA now responding very nicely to the upside. Beautiful move on NVIDIA. Probably in anticipation of Jensen. Who's at CES keynote? I'm going to take a small partial on AVGO here, guys. Just a moment. Just a moment. As long as I see NVIDIA moving higher, I'll hold on. Here comes the pop. 344, guys. We're in it. We're in it to win it. Let's go. Palantir working as well. You know what? I'm going to wait. We'll get a partial here in a moment. There's the move on AVGO. We should get a breakout now. Beautiful. Beautiful.
There goes MU to the high of the day, too. 20 cents to go now, MCHP. Full share size trade.
Okay, taking some off here, and I'll take some off Palantir as well, guys. Beautiful trades. Sometimes you only need 2. And that's what we got right now. We got 2 beautiful trades that worked out brilliantly. We'll let them play in our favor. I'll leave 500 on Palantir, and let's leave 300 here on AVGO. See how we do. Beautiful trades, guys. Beautiful trades. Hopefully some of you guys took advantage of those trades. OKLO now rolling over. I wanted a short OKLO today, to be honest. But after seeing it run up over pre-market, I thought for sure maybe it was going to break out. But Why, you might ask? Well, I do think nuclear energy is going to get some love for sure. Oklo has zero revenue, so I'd much rather be in names like CCJ, SMR, and the like. But no question, Oklo is definitely getting some headline love. Is it Altman that's involved in that?
I think so, Sam.
Look at Nvidia going, man. Wow, it's a nice reversal. It was biting it too. Just popped 2 points. AI chips and self-driving cars in focus at CES. I do like just the defensive names in general right now. Like Jedi is
RK,
a new name.
yeah,
Yep.
RKLB, we might be out of this trade here coming up.
Or like AVAV. Let's look at what that's doing today. Oh my God, what a huge move yesterday on AVAV. It's Kratos done. It's KTOS, y'all. Oh, pulling back. Okay. Wow, Nvidia now breaking out. Thanks, well, I appreciate it. Yeah. Yeah, Clifton, I said 180 or bust, but I had to take some off, man. I had a full share size position. Well, SPY is on its way, guys, to hit all-time highs. About 2 points, point and a half. I think we're gonna give it a go. We're gonna make a run at it, but it's weird because you've got names like Meta tanking, AMD tanking, AVGO finally getting some love, but you know, even like Microsoft muted, coin flat more or less, which
Well,
tells me we're rotating.
MU is helping the entire market, I think, right now.
Yeah, look, I mean, look at Nvidia, 192 now. I should have been full size in that one instead of AVGO. I'm gonna take partials before Jensen and Lisa start talking to the media. Let's take a look at Tesla also, because they're talking quite a bit about driverless cars at CES. Look at Tesla tanking. I might
Still
short this
holding
thing.
on to them here.
Are you in Tesla?
No, I'm not in
Oh,
Tesla. I'm
geez.
still holding on to the MCHP trade. And I'll give 74 on Rocket Lab, and that's it.
Okay, love rolling over. Come on, AVGO, what are you doing? Let's see. Hmm.
Come on. You can
Tesla,
do
man.
this.
I think I might short Tesla. I'll pull up the options chain real quick, see what that looks like. It is getting beat down. Tesla is down 3% right now.
Yeah. PLTR, nice.
Meanwhile, Q's straight up, SPY straight up.
Yeah, MCHP stuck here at the top towards that, right at 72. We got money made, but we need it to take off here now.
Kind of worried here on AVGO, getting stuck on the 200 sorry, the 200 EMA, just under it. And Palantir, where's the liftoff, man? Hmm. What's going on here? Broadcom launches unified Wi-Fi 8 platform for seamless AI experiences in homes. Let's go. Everybody start buying that.
Right.
We went from Wi-Fi 6 to 8. Boom. No need for
Maybe.
7. Just skip
Yeah,
it.
right. Maybe now MCHP again, target 72.40.
Anybody watching the quantum names, by the way? What are they doing this year? Nvidia over 192 now. I think I might get involved with Nvidia here. Only trouble is Jensen's up to bat here soon.
Yeah.
It could be really good or really bad. Let's see. News wise, we got, I think Trump's doing a speech at some point today. No surprise. But I'm going to take a look at the news. I don't know if there's anything huge coming out right now, but take a look. AVGO looking nice. Let's see if we get a breakout over 345 now. Target would be 349.68 if we get over 345, but I'll probably take a few off. Excuse me.
Come on, MCHP. We're still in the Rocket Lab trade, still held in here.
Well, sometimes it's just good to be patient, I guess. But Palantir, 180 or bust. Vamonos. Come on, AVGO. Just a little more. 345. Get a pump here.
What's my opinion on AMD? Take a look at it here. With an NBIS would have been nice. Yeah, I mean, over the VWAP 219, is that what you're thinking? Yeah, 219Y, somewhere right around in there. I think that would be pretty sound.
I'm looking around. I mean, Tesla's really the only trade I'm contemplating right now. Maybe Nvidia.
We're going to get paid on both of these. Watch RKLB now and the MCHP. Let's go. Right about break even now. RKLB will add to this if it goes higher.
A B G O. I think I'm gonna short Tesla, guys. I'm gonna use options though.
Okay, here comes our MCHP, and I'm going to come out of this trade right here. Yeah, I'll give it a little bit more. Just at the top here. We're at 72.40, 45. I'm going to take it right here. 72.45. I am out. Half of the trade MCHP. That'll start the day green. Now we just need Rocket Lab RKLB to follow through with us. Okay. 1 for 1 so far. We'll let the rest run here.
I got the 430s for this week. Just picked up 10 of them on Tesla. $4.55. So putting up $4,500 to see if Tesla continues to move lower. Palantir, I'm going to take some, trim it up here. I still want 180, but that's okay. AVGO looking great. I'll hang on to these. 349 would be incredible. AVGO. Yay, we're up 15 cents on the Tesla trade, so 150 bucks. See if we can make a little more. Here comes AVGO, guys. 345 just hit. Let's go now. Launch control. Vamonos. Very nice. Look at Tesla now. Nice. Quick 500 bucks. I'll let it keep growing. Beauty of options. I can hang on to them a little longer. Come on, AVGO. Really want to see 349, but I'll probably take some off here in a little bit. As long as it's green, I don't mind.
Okay, nice move now, MCHP. We just need Rocket Lab to follow with us.
What? I'm listening to the news. Do you guys have Wegmans down there?
We do not know.
This is like a high-end grocery store.
Yep.
And I'd say like the next tier above, maybe like a Whole Foods. Similar vibe, you know, when you buy like a thing of cheese, it's like 20 bucks.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
Anyway, it sounds like they're deploying facial recognition in their stores for people that are stealing, prevent theft.
Really?
Yeah, kind of interesting. Well, I mean, I suppose too, you know, the self checkouts in a lot of the grocery stores have those cameras. I suppose it would make a lot of sense for that. MSTR pop and drop.
It's like reverse psychology almost, right?
Right? Yeah. Let's see. I prefer coin over MSTR, but trade where the money's flowing, right? Well, MSTR. I might be all done with the Palantir trade. I'll give it a little more. I mean, I'm not losing a ton of money right now on this thing. I might add to my put options on Tesla here. Hopefully we don't bounce too hard. SPY is literally a point and a half away from all-time highs. Mm. Now I'm down a few $100 here on the Tesla trade. Don't do it, Palantir. Don't you get under 176 now. You're supposed to hold. No. Okay. See Tesla move any higher, I'm going to just dump these put options here. Should see some rejection here, though. Brutal. I wanted to be short, from the beginning of the day, but I was tinkering with other stuff. AEVA, Scott.
Yeah.
Looks interesting.
Say it again.
AEVA.
AEVA.
Mm-hmm. They want an exclusive LiDAR supplier agreement. That's why the big push. But look at this setup right now. It's like,
Yeah, it looks great. Over
nice
18.
validation.
And then 1837.
MU doesn't care. It's going straight up. Wowzers.
Yeah, NBIS, super nice set.
Did it hit?
Yeah, it V bottom recovery straight up.
Oh,
Real
nice.
nice.
Is that our buddy
We're
Seth?
25 cents away here, and I'm out of all shares. MCHP, all shares gone. The only thing I have left right now is RKLB.
Way to go, Seth. Way to believe in the trade, have the plan. That's a beautiful move on NBIS. I would argue, or I would look at IREN for a sympathy play, potentially. Look at those charts. It almost looks like it's delayed reaction. It could be interesting. Cue the disclaimer, it's not financial advice. But you look at that chart on IREN, it looks like the beginning of kind of that bottom end of NBIS. And they are sympathy type plays. So, I don't know. Could be interesting. Okay, I'm going to add to these put options on Tesla. And if we get below that $4 print, I will dump them. CRWE. Okay. Wow, what a move on NVIS. It's going to take off now. I'm looking for my next trade, y'all. Rocket Lab.
Yep, finally we're getting it now into positive territory. 77 we can add to it, and 77.50 will come out of it.
Nice. Very nice.
Be super nice if we could get this done.
Yeah, I think Lisa speaks at 11 from AMD, and then Jensen is, I think, today at 4, I want to say. I'm going to look at it real quick. I had it pulled up earlier. Let me see. Tesla. Ooh.
Yeah, still hopeful on the RKLB trade for sure.
I might take a video, guys. Go along here. Let's do it. I like the bounce off of 190.86, the Big Love Live highlighted here, so let's do it. Okay, we're in. More than happy to build if we take off.
Come on, make my day. We're going to add at the 76.50 break. 76.50. Why? And then 77 will be our 77 will be our final destination.
I'm gonna dump Tesla here in a minute. I don't like the fact that I'm getting squeezed now on these options here.
Okay, full share size now, 77 target RKLB. In retrospect, I'm glad we hung in there, but still. 77 target, 77 target. Here we go. 3 cents to go. RKLB. Let's go. Let's go.
Took me a while, but I found it.
What's
why
that?
It was in that folder. The schedule.
Oh, yeah.
The CES conference.
Uh-huh.
So we have Tuesday opening keynote from Siemens at 11:30, and these are all Eastern time. So Women's Health Innovation starts at 12. Show floor opens. C-Space last keynote. Mobileye at what is that? 4:45. No, AMD was yesterday. AMD was yesterday. And then Caterpillar's keynote is on Wednesday. Good to know.
Wow. We've got it now, traders. Again, I'm going to come out of the trade here as we run through 77 here. About 5 cents to go to get the bid over 77.
Yeah, so Lisa and NVIDIA were yesterday. Keynotes. Interesting. Got some names to watch. Mobileye, Caterpillar. Some thoughts around manufacturing will be brought up. Interesting. Guys, I'm going to add full share size on NVIDIA here. Let this thing rip now. We're still in AVGO. Still have my put options on Tesla for now. I really gave it way too much room, to be honest. But that's okay. Let's go NVIDIA. Come on, Palantir. It's about time you start taking off. Target on NVIDIA, I don't know, 194 maybe. We'll see. RKLB, yeah, nice. Yeah, I love seeing it move higher too because I've got it in my portfolio now. So go RKLB all day. I do
selling
think
into the
that,
strength of the
okay.
move. Wow. There we go. Perfect trade now on RKLB. Loaded up on that full share size. I'm out and flat. No trades on right now. Wow, look at NBIS now over 100. From 92 to 100, 8 points. Congrats. Awesome.
Seth, did you bank some or are you letting it run? What are you doing? Nice call out too, bud. Very nice. All out, target 99. Wow. Very cool, man. Very cool. Love to see that. Called the trade, planned the trade, nailed the trade. Can't ask for more than that. Tesla, you know, still short with these put options, but I really need to see it like take out the session lows for me to have some conviction in holding these. And NVIDIA, I mean, full share size, let's go. Let's take the top off now. What is it, 92.17? 192.17? Let's see how far up we can go. Yeah, well, 192 is kind of in that zone. Unless it gets over 193.50, then it might break out. We'll see. I'll be patient with NVIDIA. But I will not let it drop below 190.65. So I'm literally giving it 50 cents to the downside, 60 cents. So trends are out. Yeah, I still have my LTR as well. I took some off a little bit, but I've got let's see what I have 250 shares left. So we'll see what happens. I want to see it at 180. If it gets up to 180, I might actually wait till 182. Like I may like swing those extra shares. I don't know. But knowing my style of trading, there's a good chance I'll take partial, take some off, and maybe leave like 100 shares at some point. I don't know. We'll see. Kind of like what I'm doing with AVGO. So AVGO, we've got 150 shares left, so we'll see what it does. NVIDIA, we got in at 191.06. So I'm not like getting rich off this trade. If we break down to like 190.50 to close the trade. Come on, Tesla. Time to fall off cliff. Right on, Seth. Cool, bud.
Yep.
Take it easy. Nice trade today.
Perfect. Seth, take care, bud.
I don't want to take a loss on a trade. I don't trade the stock again. This time I'm glad I did. Second chance really made up for it. Nice, Seth. Cool.
Yeah, flat is good. You know, I mean, if Rocket Labs continues, fine, it'll go without us.
Palantir launch mode any moment. Where did we get to? We just what 177.99. So we get over 178, then we go see 180. Transfer. Good luck to us, yeah. There goes AVGO. All right, guys, I'm gonna have to close out Tesla. Womp womp. That one kind of hurt. Yep. All right, closing out the Tesla put options here. For a loss. No. Skato, AVGO, crushing it. Palantir, crushing it. NVIDIA, gonna do this thing. Let's see what else is out there. How do you feel about MU, Scott? Nice transfer, yeah. I hear you. Same thing. I mean, you can always add more, right? But I took my risk off, and I'm actually contemplating right here into the 178 print to add right here. Let's do it. We'll add another 100 shares. It's not a huge ad, right? I'm not going full share size ad to put myself at more risk, right? Because there may be some people waiting to sell into the 178 print. 250 to 350, like that's fine. You know. Really need a video to take off though. We're full share size in that. Palantir. Yeah, baby. What was it? Clifton, 180 or bust, right?
Yeah, there you go.
We got the small ad here. Let's let it grow.
PLTR like a rocket ship, yeah.
Here comes NVIDIA. I want to see a push over 193. That would be awesome. Okay, I'm going to take some off of Palantir here. Just a moment. Let's see if we keep reaching. Waiting. Oh, I see green. That's okay. Let's go. So in this scenario, like my next partial will be like, you know, a little more than half. So like 60%, and then I'll let the rest run. We're now just printing at this point. No partial yet. As long as that candle is a full green bar like that, I'll let it keep going. Beautiful. Beautiful move now. All right. Just took some off here on Palantir. Still got 150 shares going. Haha, 179, baby.
Go.
Woohoo. I love it when a plan comes together. Palantir. Beautiful, beautiful.
Yeah, wow, just huge move.
Yeah.
Those of you that are still in the RKLB, my suggestion is take profits if you haven't already. Oklo looks great over the VWAP, and I'll probably get there. Let's see, 92.90. I'll put Oklo down for an entry here. OKLO, long 92.90. There you go. And we'll watch it together here. Small share size 93 will be the opportunity here to add. Okay.
I may trim up AVGO here unless we break out right now. I need to see it rip. I don't like the fact that it's running into 345 and getting rejected. I need to see it break out like ASAP. Palantir, guys, what a beautiful trade. Trenster, congrats. All right, I'm going to trim up AVGO here. Beautiful trade, though. Yep, right there. That'll work. Leave 50 shares to do its thing. No risk. Getting close to being done now. On the day. Palantir, I'll probably just put like a 2-point trail on it. Yeah, do that. Qs are aiming higher. SPY literally a point away from all-time highs. AMD though really just biting it, man. That's crazy to see. All right, I'm going to take the last 100 shares off of Palantir, leave 50 on AVGO and Palantir to do the thing. Put the risk behind me. Yeah, maybe I missed that 180 print, but guys, I'm not going to be greedy. I'm not complaining. It's a beautiful trade. Yeah, you got to transfer 800 bucks Palantir, 1,000 on MU, but you're red on Okelo and MP. MP materials. Let's see, where's that looking like right now? Where did I have that? Oh, there it is. Yeah, I mean, a huge move yesterday and the day before, Friday. Some adjustment makes sense there, right? Because it's run up what? Let's see, 22% in 2 sessions. So subtle pullback would make some sense. I do think there's still more in the tank, though. Big highlights, I think, with this whole Venezuela. Again, cue the disclaimer, but it is just an opinion. But I do think that that could be very opportunistic for companies like MP, companies like Exxon, Shell, Chevron. The one thing that came up was like, hey, if it's such a rare earth mineral rich place, why haven't people pulled it out of the ground yet?
Right.
It's a valid point. Oh, come on, NVIDIA. What are you doing now? Boo. What about a big move on Novo Nordisk? I don't know if any guys are watching that, but big pop on Novo Nordisk last couple sessions. Yeah, Rocket Lab looking great now. Scott, what do you think? Does Rocket Lab benefit Sympathy Play when SpaceX goes IPO, or do you think the opposite happens? It gets stuck in its wake and moves it lower.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know as if it's going to go in tandem with X. So, uh, um, don't know, but I guess we're gonna find out, right?
Mm-hmm.
When is that supposed to happen?
Well, they're supposed to be in the first quarter of this year, but it's Elon, so who
Yeah.
knows? Who knows? He might turn around and just be like, um, it might be the second half of 2026, like the Roadster.
Yeah.
Oh, Nvidia. I'm gonna probably get stopped out here on Nvidia. No, no. Okay, we are out of Nvidia. Market's kind of rolling over a little bit. Let's see if we get a red roll or if this is just a small pullback. Maybe Tesla gives me a second chance. Maybe I'll do it with shares. Hmm. What do you guys think? 437 will be an
I
area.
bet you RKLB takes that 78 off too. No trade Oklo.
Let's see what Tesla does at 437. If it breaks that, it may take out that session low. It starts bouncing around there, then maybe an opportunity to switch gears and go long because the Qs are up. SPY up. Um, it's just kind of interesting though to see the SPY and the Qs holding up so well. But I'm looking around and all like the big names, they're either flat to sideways or down. Hmm. Not a ton of trades for me today though.
I've only had two really, and may end the day like that too if Oklo doesn't make it happen here.
Yeah, I suppose I could count my options trade, but that puts me at like 4 trades for the day. I'm not including ads. It was Palantir, Nvidia, Broadcom, and Tesla. Okay, let's keep an eye on Tesla at 437. Does it break that level? It's a big one. Or does it start to find buyers? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Big break coming on Tesla, guys. No, I might have missed my opportunity on it. I had those put options and dumped them for a loss. Shoot. Yeah, again, notice that 437 getting defended here. What's the low? 435.38. I think Tesla's gonna go see 430 here in a minute. Anita, are you saying for like Tesla, for example, on the options? Typically, I buy to open unless I'm doing like collars, spreads, things like that. If I'm just doing like a naked put, right, then it's just buy to open, sell to close directionally. So if I want a call option, it's just buy to open, sell to close, and then vice versa for puts, right? So it's essentially like almost rather than take the shares, right? Because for me, let's just say if I wanted to buy um, 10 contracts, right? 10 contracts is the equivalent of about 1,000 shares as far as control goes, you know? Um, but I'd pay 45, I'm looking at the 430 puts right now. So I'd pay like 4,500 bucks for them versus if I bought 1,000 shares, it'd be at $436,000
Hmm.
to control that type of position. So even though I'm in and out of it and, moving the shares around, it's a lot easier for those expensive stocks to get in with options. For me, at least, I don't know. Everybody's different. So I'd normally trade it as if it's shares. And typically, though, with options, you want to use them as a hedge mechanism and or collect premium, right? Through the use of callers, etc. Figuring out what your total premium would be if you use, let's say, one contract. That's what most people use them. So you control a spread, collect a premium here, and then like I love a broken wing strategy personally. It's basically like, you know, a lot like having a spread, and then if it doesn't work out, let's just say it goes, I want stock to go down and it goes up, I can switch gears, eat the loss on the put, let's say, on the put side of the spread, and then take the dollars there and roll it into a call. So and there's all kinds of different strategies, which we're not here for that necessarily, but that's what I'm trying to learn up this year for my trading is add you know option strategies and trading techniques there because even on names like RKLB, because now I own that in a portfolio position, I can use options to offset potential movements that may happen, right? And I'm specifically talking about SpaceX. So when SpaceX IPOs, I want to know, you know, I can put a collar, let's say, or some form of defense mechanism because now I'm sitting on I think what like 300 shares maybe, give or take. So anyway, let's see. Michael H. 4 trades for profit of 20 pizzas. I'm not sure I follow what that is. Michael, that's kind of funny. Yes, things usually I sell, but I get premium. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. The nice thing about using options though too is, as long as you understand time is, basically learn the Greeks, right? Cue disclaimer.
Yep.
But you learn the Greeks, then you have a little more control of directional um, benefits. So, like, say for example, if anytime I make 100% on any trade or anything, especially an option, I 100% pay myself. There's a lot of people that do like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1,000% on some of these options. I've been fortunate to have that a couple times, but realistically, I'm banking it every step of the way. The big thing is if you're learning options, exactly what you're talking about, Anita, is learn how to collect premium. It's not even it wouldn't even be about do what you want, it's your money. But if you do it just naked call, naked put, and you do it, let's just say tomorrow with zero DTEs and stuff like that, very common now. But the challenge is if you get it wrong, theta could kill you in like literally 30 minutes. Right? If you're doing, let's say, next day expiration on the big indices, you can get in a lot of trouble that way because you just burn up all your premium. So anyway, bingo. Yeah, Michael, you nailed it. Yep. Covered calls and secured puts. Yep. 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 Like I think I may end up doing that this year. Like set aside, I don't know, like 50K just for options plays to tinker with. I just don't want to open yet another account. But I have to figure out how I'm going to separate that. Tesla down near its almost a double bottom on the day. Let's see if it. I'm watching that. It's going to likely be my next trade. If we break the session low, was it 435.80? It just nailed. So 435.38 is the session low on Tesla. If it breaks it, I might get interested in shorting it. If we bounce from here and move higher, I might be interested in going long. Let's see how we end up. Again, 437, big level, high volume, high action area. I mean, they're really sending like bad news for Tesla. BYD overtakes Tesla in UK and Germany for EV sales.
Yeah.
Like they're just trying to.
How about that RKLB right there? Wow.
They're going.
Yeah, moved up 78 now. Leaving money on the table today.
AMD, absolute bloodbath today. Almost 4% to the downside. Wow. Unbelievable. Well, if you're bullish Tesla, this might be a good area to get involved. 437. And you already know your risk, $1.50. If we break that low, we'll start probably checking out the 420s. Right on why.
Why take care of yourself? Enjoy. Good trading today.
You got it. Appreciate you being here. Nothing's jumping off the page. Other than, like I said, maybe Tesla. I've got these last few shares on Palantir and video. Just let them do their thing. Hmm. Can't believe I'm saying this out loud, but today's the day, guys. We're gonna add ENPH to the portfolio today. could have got it at 31 bucks, but now it's 35.
Yeah, it won't matter when it's 45 though, right?
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. We'll start with a small. Yeah, I'll start there because like a dollar cost in, but goal would be, I don't know, maybe get to like 200-300 shares at some point. We'll see. So Scott, here's a question for you. Tesla, would you go long here? 437?
You know, I think long term, you know, no. For the day, yeah. Um, you know, I think Tesla, like I've been reading, Tesla's more than just a car company, right? As people say, it's down big for the day. I think as a day trade today off this 436 level, you know, I think there's, you know, give it a point, and you'd probably be okay for 3 or 4. But if it breaks, you know, watch out below. I mean, the stock to me needs to be around that 380, maybe 400 level to start to accumulate. You know,
Mm-hmm.
although you can make a case right here. 420 would be another level, um, but I don't know if today, you know, long term, I don't know if today's the play that I would get involved with to keep it long, right?
Yeah. Well, I mean, my bias is, as you mentioned, you typically will have a bullish bias, and I typically have a bearish bias. Not always, right? But
Right.
names like AMD, OKLO, Tesla, wanted to short today, and I did short Tesla, but using options, and oh man, we would have been getting paid right now. But oh well,
Oh
I
yeah.
just would have. Got to respect the stops. But I mean, AMD, I was not expecting that type of move on AMD. That is a huge dump. And I don't really understand. I mean, other than the fact that, Jensen mentioned they've got this new state of the art chip, big surprise, the Rubin chip, whatever.
Right.
Um, but whatever Lisa said, I guess it wasn't what people wanted to hear. So, bummer. Oh, there's a break on Tesla now. We were talking about it to the
Yeah.
downside.
So to the downside there, breaks at 436. Could see some further downside. MU looks like it's getting top heavy here to roll over.
Uh-oh. Tesla's really, look at that. Look at the volume spike there.
Yeah,
All selling.
once the volume comes in, then you know it's going.
Oh man. I was early to the party. So I was looking for. Should break down to like 431 now. AMD selling off now. Even further. I think I'm gonna go flat here and walk away.
It's a good idea.
Yeah. Because I don't want to jump into AMD 212 is a big level. So maybe we bounce there. So if anything, I might be looking to quote unquote buy the dip on some of these names. Palantir, the last few shares here that I have, I may just dump them. Same with AVGO.
Yeah, I don't think I'm going to take another trade today, so I'm going to call it done here. Just 2 trades for me today. Got real fortunate with the Rocket Lab trade, and then MCHP delivered for us, both full share size trades. And as you can see today, kind of limped into a couple of trades, and then immediately had the plan to go full share size, and that's what we did. And anytime you get an opportunity to go full share size on a trade, because it doesn't happen all the time, it's important, right? So, when you do get it and when it does introduce itself to you, you're like, hey, okay, well, I can do this and I can make it happen here. So this is one of those days where you kind of come into the trade a little small, and then can add from there, and that's exactly what we did. So okay, I'm not coming back today. I got a jam-packed afternoon. I will see everybody tomorrow. Thanks for joining us on this Tuesday. Tomorrow's Wednesday, middle of the week, hump day, and we will get after it at that time. So enjoy the rest of your day today. God bless you all. Godspeed. I will see you tomorrow. Clifton, thank you so much for what you do. DVG as well. Good trading session, DVG. Congrats.
Indeed. Thanks,
And
Scott.
I'll see you again tomorrow, my friend. Take care.
Sounds good.
Yep. Bye-bye.
Well, before I take off, anything you guys want me to take a look at or anything? Otherwise, I'm going to join Scott. It's been a good day. No complaints. Maybe the Tesla trade could have held on a little longer. Oh well. So maybe that's my bright spot of opportunity that I missed out on possibly, but I'm not going to be too upset about it. We crushed it on several trades today. If not, I will see you guys tomorrow at the open. Till then, cheers. God bless.